Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about unit test framework for Python or why we require unit testing. I'll bring you my paint one first. See now, till the date we created a different test cases like how we can able to use for drop down, select box and windows, all the things, right? But when you're going to a real time, it is a different format. Means there is a set of application. In this application, a number of test cases will present. Right? Imagine now this many test cases. More than 100, 200, 3000. Like that, there are big application means there are a lot of test cases presented. But when you want to do some automation, that moment if you are doing individual, it is not that much of a look and feel. And also you can create individual file, but you have to execute order. Means first login page, like first open the browser, then click on login page and provide for username password, then you can go for searching or adding or deleting user or something actions like different set of operations, right? For this set of a structurable code if you want to run, then how we can able to use man, there is a unit test framework. It is a by default the Python is presented for this unit test framework we can able to use and we can able to do it. No need to install. Whenever you install this Python, by default this unit test framework also included. Okay, how we can able to achieve, and mainly this concept is comes like whenever you open a browser, you need to define some predefined conditions, and that predefined condition after completion of the entire execution you have to close that preconditions. That moment this unit test framework will help you to insert that particular set of code into starting and close the ending and do so your operation in the middle. Like that it will gives you one order purpose. And also in the real time what will happen, you can create some sanity, smoke, smoke testing, a regression testing. Like that you can able to create different kind of suits and you can able to run. Now in this video we are going to see a sample test case how we can able to create. Now I'm going to creating for one directory. That directory it's like unit test testing, unit testing, and here I'm going to creating my file. Okay, that file become I'm going to give a test a sample unit. Okay, now here what will happen, I need to, here I'm not going to do for any kind of like UI coding, just I'm going to show you sample printing statements. Okay, even we can able to do it for that, doing some page opening one-to-one place and all that also we can able to do it. Import, there is a name for unit test. Whenever you initiated this one by default, like whenever you install Python, by default it will present it. No need to bother about that. How we can able to install on .all. Now I am going to creating my class. My class is a test, a sample. In this test sample, we need to initiate for unit test dot. Here is a test cases. This is the one we need to provide whenever we created for the class for unit testing, because we this will help you to initiating this under what all the methods are presenting, that all under comes for test case related. Okay, now I'm going to use def a test. This test classes or methods like functions, anything it is by default, the starting name is a test. Based upon this test only, this unit testing will read whenever you run by using command prompt. That moment, what will happen by using this unit test, it will read what all the methods are present under this class, a test methods. What all the test methods are presented, that all the things it will read it. Underscore. You can able to after underscore, you can able to add anything. Like I'm going to use for sample here and use self, and here I'm going to printing my print class sample a test for unit test. Okay, this is your sample. How we can able to run this unit test? Now up to here we done, but how we can able to run means we have if underscore 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 and name underscore underscore, we can able to provide here equal to and double quotation underscore underscore main underscore underscore. You can able to close it here. Then you can now you can able to unit test dot main. Okay, now we can go ahead and run here. Now my package is unit testing a slash test sample unit dot py. Why it is showing Python unit test framework based on each gamma unit JUnit Kent back smallest testing framework. This method will help you equal. Okay, this is the format we need to use it. Okay, that format is missed out. That's why it is asking to do that. Okay, reformat. Okay, now we are able to use it. Whenever you get some errors, you can able to do like that. It will by default it will do that. Print. Now we can able to see run one test is passed. Okay, and even you can able to see the comment of that sample test for unit test. Okay, this is a format we can able to initiate our unit test, and even you can able to run by using like this the format. Okay, it will help you to read the data, what all the test cases presented and all. And we'll see for the later video how what all the methods are presented this unit testing to help you to run our test cases. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you understand this one. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.